You want to be one of the cool guys? Buy my merch.
Warning, things coming out of the oven are hot. What's going on, everyone? We are back with another almighty cooking blighty. I don't know what episode it is, but it's an episode. Today I'm cooking camp style burger bowl. We've got organic 12% fat beef mince, security protected. The alarm did not go off when we bought it. Usually in camp we get the lower fat. It's like 5%, I think. It's the lowest we could find. But I'm not really in camp. I'm not training like that either, so whatever. We've got the lighter, mature cheddar. It's a bit lighter, a bit less calories. Pre-cut iceberg lettuce because we're lazy. Special burger sauce, not burger sauce burger. Special burger sauce, it's special. I don't know what makes it special. Sauce with a gherkin and dill tang and sweet finish. We've also got a tomato, we've got an onion. We've got gherkin burger pickle. Maybe I'll try a bit, I don't like gherkins. I don't like gherkins. Alright, we've got these skimpy little potatoes. I don't know how we're going to make it into... I like wedges, but realistically these are just going to be halved. They're not going to be wedges. Maybe a quarter. Maybe I'll quarter it. Now I got wedges. Yeah, cool. So I'm going to wedge them. I like a white potato with this. I don't mind. I do like sweet potatoes, but like, if you want like fast energy carbohydrates. Sweet potato is more like a slow release carbohydrate. And this sort of one I want. I want the energy and I want it now. Okay. I want a fuel and I want to feel it now. I want the power in me. Like say I'm going to go do a session in an hour or whatever. I want the energy now. Okay, so I'm going to bring this over here. Extra virgin olive oil. For all you virgins out there. That seems a lot more than I wanted, but it's okay. Bit of pepper. Bit of pep. I'll put a bit of pep. Put a bit of pep. A little pep. Okay. Who fucking says English people don't season our food? And then we're going to put it on.
You're not going to put salt?
Salt goes on after.
Does it?
Yeah, because it absorbs the moisture.
Okay.
It absorbs the fluid and I want to keep them nice and soft. And if you put salt, that's something you should know. Oh, idiot. While you're baking it. Give it a little shake. A little fucking shake. Okay, I'm going to prep some veg. I hate onions. Like, I hate cutting onions. What's going on with you guys then? I haven't really been posting videos on here as much recently. Just been kind of busy rehabbing and getting back to things if I can. Trying to film a Milkman podcast, obviously. You guys have been enjoying it. Getting comments on Max being a funny fella. Yep, he is. He's a funny old girl. And we'll get him cooking something. When we were kids, he was trying to bulk up for rugby. He used to be, you wouldn't see it now, but he used to be very skinny. He was very skinny and he always had a big head. But he would be bulking up for rugby and he would be like, he'd cook 4 packs of super noodles and like, he'd give me 1 pack and he'd have the 3. Or it'd be like 3 cans of beans and I'd get 1. And like, I get 1 toast and he'd get 2 toasts because he's bulking. It was always like, we'd stay over his house. He'd be on the fucking hob, just making like a mad concoction. Now, like, obviously you wouldn't imagine that he was quite a skinny lad. He's a big old boy. He used to be able to do that weird thing with his belly where he could suck the air in and make like an elephant with his stomach. If you've seen it, you know what I mean. Obviously we're only a few days removed from Independence Day, July 4th for the Americans. So there's a lot of beef with the tomato situation. And like, yeah, you've got potatoes. You don't call them potatoes. It's kind of the same. Shut up. Same spelling. So in a way it's right. But then I'm gonna like fight it because that's the way we say it. So, Fish, what do you say? Potato? Obviously though, America, which is cool. But then everyone has these Independence Days from the British Empire. We did some things. We ruled the world, you know. Was it good? I don't know. But I'm sure as fuck would probably rather be part of that Britain than this Britain. Tell you that for now. You like to be the fucking domineer, not the dominated. Spacula wackula. So now I'm gonna get the old mince on there. I was gonna cook a burger, but now I'm like, obviously the recovery is like on the right side of things. Hopefully start getting the wheels turning. I'm a bit heavy. I didn't get fat, but like I wasn't really watching my diet. I was training a lot, lifting a lot. My ass grew a lot because I could just squat for a while. I was squatting, leg press and all that shit. So I'm like disproportionate. I'm like the opposite. Usually you see guys have massive guns and skinny legs. I got big ass, big legs, and I'm skinny up top because I'm rehabbing up top. That's where we're at right now. I was gonna make an almighty burger. Maybe I'll save it for the next episode, maybe the weekend. Make an almighty burger. We could maybe I'll make the whole, sort of put the chuck together and all that shit. Do the mince and a bit of egg and that. I like an egg on my burger, so we're gonna get egg. I don't eat bacon, everyone knows it. I don't eat pork. But like a turkey egg burger, maybe. The almighty burger. That could be pretty cool.
Turkey egg. Turkey bacon.
Yeah, like turkey, egg and...
Yeah.
That's what I meant. At temp. So now we're going to put the beef mince in there. We were watching Clarkson's Farms and he's got the cows in there. And it's like beef is a special treat because them boys is cute. You know, when you see a cow and they get the zoomies, you're like, fucking sick. You know what I mean? They're sick. So beef has to be a special treat. Get like, you know, I don't mind paying a bit of a premium because when you see a cow, you're like, that guy's sick. Like you think he doesn't deserve to be 20 quid for your burger or whatever. That's a high quality cow. And also I'd be more concerned if I spent 3 quid on a burger. Like a cow, what kind of shit cow did you get? What kind of shit abused, poor welfare cow did you get? I'd rather spend a little bit more money, get a bit of quality. And even it'd be nice to know the cow had a good life, you know? That wouldn't be bad. I know you can't really guarantee it when you're eating a cheeseburger, but I guarantee McDonald's ain't getting good quality fucking beef. It's crap. That's just real wrong. Assembling my salad now that I'm waiting. This is like the heaviest fucking chopping block thing in the world. So I'm gonna put...
You want to put the lettuce first, no? As a base.
Yeah, lettuce as a space. So I'm gonna put a bed of lettuce. Pre-chop. Do I have to chop it anymore? Nah. It's washed. M&S. I had a voice note from someone the other day who said their name was M&S. I don't know who that was, but my friend called me and he said he was with someone and their name's M&S. And he was like, fucking Marks and Spencer's. Is that enough, you reckon? Yeah. I don't think it was actually Marks and Spencer. I believe they were French. Like maybe their name was like M&S? MS? I don't know. I'm just gonna fucking bomb that in there. You know what I mean? When you're preparing for war, don't worry about the fucking, I don't know. Looks like shit. Presentation doesn't look great. It was never my strong point, I'll be honest. Whatever. Let's just get this moving. We don't want it sticking to this pan. Ozzy Osbourne. Crazy. What do you think? Because I don't really know him. What are your thoughts, you, the viewers, on Youngblood performing and covering his songs? I saw him getting some hate, some negative stuff, but my thought is like Ozzy Osbourne really likes him, and enough so that he would have him cover his songs on his final show. I want to know if you, I don't know, maybe you guys don't even like Black Sabbath or Ozzy Osbourne, but I'm a fan, so here we shall discuss it. Let me know what you think about that. Would it have been cool to go to that show? I would have liked to have been there. Tickets were probably sold about a fucking year before. And then I just saw the Instagram videos and shit and I was like, oh shit, wish I was there. But here's what it is. You snooze, you lose. Fucking almighty merch, we got it. We got almighty merch, we got the almighty strength shit. My brother's gonna be the face of it, I think, because he's stronger than me. He's the strongest in the family, I think. He's going to the world's strongest at his weight class in November. Hopefully I would have competed by then, you never know. Keep an eye out on Almighty Merch Co Instagram. Go on almightymerch.co to put your orders in. It's a legit website. We haven't got the end, but it's legit. Make an order. Buy a shirt, you'll grow some chest hair. As simple as that. I have no chest hair, but it's because they're my shirts. You will get the benefits. It's sea salt. I'd prefer pink Himalayan salt, but you keep buying sea salt, it is what it is.
I like the corner sea salt.
Yeah, but the thing is, the plastics in the ocean where these things, salt absorbs it. Now, when you grind it up, you get the plastics in your food, where the mountains don't really have plastic in them, hopefully. So,
Yeah, but there's
can you
no
please?
plastic in the rain.
Yeah, but not as much as in the sea. Just stop buying that salt. Dr. Huberman says it's an easy change, easy and inexpensive switch up. And like microplastics in your bloodstream is something that is dulling your hormones and lowering test in men. Try and avoid it, but recently I've been back on the road a little bit more, so I've been drinking more bottled water. And I have like 1 litre bottle. I have a 4 litre bottle, but I don't want to fucking like fill it up with the filter all day. That's just long. So then I end up, like today I had Starbucks. I hadn't had Starbucks in ages and I fucking hate supporting Starbucks because I think it's gay. But I needed good food and everywhere just has shit food. There's nothing good, like clean, that you could eat anywhere. Not on the go anyway. Unless you're like in the city, like in London there's more options. I tell you, you're on the road, it's like, what do we eat at the services? Oh, do you want a sandwich? Subway. Any old shit.
Subway was delicious.
Subway is delicious. But yeah, it's just shit. There's nothing good. There's nothing like clean you can get on the go. Taters are fucking gleaming, I think. Taters are gleaming. I feel like we've come out with more than we went in with. I don't like my taters too crisp. I like them a little soft, fluffy. But these are just about off the fucking paper. Perfect. Warning, things coming out of the oven are hot. They've got a lot of fat. I dropped some mince on the floor. Try and get some of this shit off without losing any. The amount of times I've done this with like pasta and noodles and the whole lot's just end up in the sink. Maybe I'll just buy some pre-made burgers next week and just heat them up. We do like barbecue style, like Volk. Get some nice brioche buns. Aerial view. You want to see me, but you don't want me to touch you. Oh yeah. Oh, fucking skits. Skits cat. What's going on in the world? Things gone quiet on the war front. That's good, I think. I hadn't heard much about that. I hadn't seen any news. Maybe that's by design though. If you want to update us in the comments about what is going on, because I ain't seen shit. For a period, it was like there was bombs, there was fucking Trump, there was Iran, there was everything. Now I ain't seen nothing. So. Wonder why that is. Has it gone quiet? Have we calmed down? We're just making burgers in peace. Yeah, if there's anything else you'd like to see on the YouTube channel, I always ask this and I always get the same comments, but like, and then I usually don't do them. Like maybe a collab with someone or something you like to see. I know more training stuff people want to see, but I'm obviously not there yet. Like gym stuff would be, I figure people don't really want to see me half-assing it in the gym, you know? Like, oh, I can't do this, I can't do this. And there's only so much lifting weights you can watch. Maybe we'll get my brother on, because he's actually strong. But every time I try to get him on, he just disappears and he goes all shy. He's really not shy, but then on camera he's like, I'm Jake, I'm competing in the world's strongest, I'm Europe's strongest at 90 kilos, and I'm going to deadlift 360 kilos today. That, and then off camera he's funny as fuck. He's always telling me how I should talk shit to people and do this and that. And then you put a camera in his face, he's like, oh, my best lift is deadlift and axle press. I got a good axe press. I like the log. I got stones. I'm pretty good at. Yeah, this good. This is done.
Yeah.
How much we gonna go with? Like that much?
Really?
It is called mince, but don't think we're mincing about around here. You know what I mean? Okay. Now we're gonna get the secret. Ooh, cat in the window. There's a cat in the window. There's a cat in the window. Okay, we're gonna get a bit of cheese and we're gonna sprinkle it. I'm gonna sprinkle it. Give it a minute and it'll melt. I'm gonna put over everything actually because I'm not on the diet. So I'm gonna put no cheese. As we sit here patiently waiting for our cheese to melt on the mince, maybe we take time to reflect on our past sins, future sins, because we will make them. The cheese will do what it wants, you know what I mean? The thing is, the cheese, it doesn't have to melt. There's no set melting point for cheese. It'll just do what it wants. Another thing is you're gonna get yourself. I wish we had burger sauce burger, but this one will do. And I fucking love burger sauce. I love it. When you get a kebab, it's like if anyone gets anything other than burger sauce, you're an idiot. It's one of the greatest inventions. Okay, so you're still in. Potatoes perfect. The pre-cut, pre-washed lettuce. Perfect. You got your burger and fries, without all the bad shit, you know what I mean? Just the good stuff. You can argue against potatoes all day long if you want, but it's fucking delicious. This country was built on potatoes. Especially this county, you know what I mean? The arable lands of Suffolk. That camera ASMR. I did not invent the burger bowl, but it is delicious. I definitely recommend, if you're someone that's trying to drop a bit of weight, lean up a bit, go for the lower fat mince. Like, just look through the mince and find like a lower fat one, lower fat cheese. Helps. Don't drench it in sauce, and maybe have less wedges or fries, whatever you want to call them. Cheese is good. It's all good though. It's all good. It's like just training fuel. And it's like, feels like you've got a bulky meal because you've got a load of lettuce and onions and tomatoes in there, which if you want portion size, just put a lot more lettuce in there. Use little mind tricks, make it look like a big bowl. It's easy, but it's delicious. Obviously you need the burger sauce. Special burger sauce from M&S ain't bad. I prefer burger sauce burger, but this ain't bad. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, shop almightymerch.co, watch The Milkman, follow their channel. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to do. Obviously we're going to do the fight breakdowns every pay-per-view. We'll try and get a video out for that. I need to do something more frequently. There was something potentially like a collaboration with someone and some weapons. There's some like sword fighting stuff. I held off on it for a bit because I'm being injured, but where things are getting better, maybe we can look at getting that done. So that could be cool. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, buy a shirt, watch it on your mum's account. Thanks.